I just wanted to ask. This is something I read online. So the sounds that we hear, sort of interspersed throughout the musical, I've heard that the technical term is a wee. Is that correct?
No, it's called a Wii U because I didn't have any idea what else to call it. Yeah, it's a keyboard sound that I wanted it to sound in the story after the Martians land on Horsell Common for the first time, the first of about 10 cylinders in the story, and they're trying to communicate back to the cylinders that are following for Mars, essentially to say all is good. And the little melody that I wrote, wee, I have to sing it as a wee,
Yeah, yeah, that's how I do it.
and it sounded like a wee to me. So if you were to see my original scores, it doesn't say piano or violin or guitar. It
Is
says
it
wee.
written in as a wee?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
brilliant. That's really good.